everybody. I am back. I know it has been forever, but I'm going to be doing some of my favorite wigs that are inexpensive and, you know, just work really well for, you know, lighter skin complexions and smaller heads. That has been one of my biggest problems from getting wigs is just that, you know, it's way too big on my head or it just doesn't quite match my skin tone and it causes some problems. Or you spend a ton of money on an expensive wig and then within like 1 or 2 months, it's frizzy and a mess, and no matter how much conditioner you put in it, it is just terrible. So I have been experimenting and trying out new things since I have been posting these videos, and so I'm going to be starting a little series, I guess, of videos that explain kind of what I found and what's worked really well for me. So the wig I'm currently wearing is an Amazon, I think it's called Sapphire Wig. It's really big. I probably am going to have to, at one point, if I want to continue wearing it, sew it up the back, and I'll try to do a video of that. But everybody always asks me, what wig are you wearing? So that's what this one is. Okay, so today I am going to be reviewing Bobbi Boss's, upside down, Bobbi Boss Harmony, and it's actually in a light pink color. So here is the information. Make sure you can see that. It was pretty inexpensive. I did get it from Sam's Beauty, and I will put the link below. So if you want to take a look at it, there's a lot of different colors, but a lot of them were sold out. But thankfully, I really wanted to try this this pink color anyway, so perfect for me. They had it. This has the 13x7 extended lace frontal, and then it has this HD lace. It's very light, so I'm a little bit, I'd get tanner than, you know, like the transparent laces normally actually look weird on me, but I find if you put a little makeup on it, you can do the trick. It actually also does already come with a adjustable band, like an elastic strap. I had to sew one in on the wig that I'm wearing right now, but the cool thing about the 13x7 is that you just have all this extra parting space. So this is the wig out of the box. I absolutely am obsessed with this color. It's so cute. There are some baby hairs. Sometimes it can be helpful, and other times they can be just a little bit too long and just kind of look crazy. So sometimes just a little bit of, you know, cutting or working with the synthetic hair to make it look more like just hairs that have broken off or just a little bit more natural. So on the inside, we have all of this lace and 2 combs at the back. I don't use these. I never can get them to attach where I want them to, but there are 2. Further back in the cap, we have like these tracks, but it is has this netting in it so that it's not so like the open tracks where like if you felt like if your hair parted, you know, it would completely show like anything underneath it. So it is like a cap, but it is that breathable mesh. So it's not very hot, and this is a very lightweight wig. The one I'm wearing right now gets very hot, but this one, I actually wore this out boating, and it was not, I wasn't dying of heat or sweating. We also have a comb in the back, and then your typical straps to adjust for size. I find that most of the time, the adjustable straps actually really don't do a whole lot. They help a little bit, but they don't do a whole lot. So I actually have invested in, it's not that big of an investment, was a velvet lace front strap, and it is called Main Basics Wig Grip Comfort Band. I was always thinking that if I wore one of these, it would be really difficult to hide the lace, but this one actually has the mesh in it. And I find that with a lot of the front lace, I put it a little further back, and I'll show you how I wear it. Put it a little further back, and you can't see it under the wig at all, and it provides just a little bit more width to the circumference of my head, which is normally the wigs are just a little bit too big for them. And then also the grippiness of the velvet really helps keep the wig in place without having to use any glue or tape or anything like that. So I've been using this, and then if I really need a little extra security, which for everyday wear I don't, but maybe if I was going out on the boat or we'll be using like a lot of wind in my face, I would use, you know, just a little bit of got to be glued around the perimeter just to have that little extra adhesive to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get this wig band on and put the wig on so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so Leo has joined us, and oh, something scared him. All right, so this band works really simple. You just put it where you want your part. I put it a little bit further back. And then it just has two pieces of Velcro, just like a headband, and I just bring my ears out and get that adjusted. So I pull out my edges just so I have a little bit more of that natural look with the wig. But I have got the band on, and like I said, I just leave the out a little bit, I push it back from my hairline just a little bit to help. We've got this adjustable strap. I've told you I've got a tiny head, so I make that as small as possible. And then I take the two, the other adjustables, the regular adjustable straps, I also put those about as tight as I can go without crisscrossing them. So I normally put them in the same hole, and then if the wig gets really loose, or if I've been wearing it for a while, then I sometimes will crisscross them so that, you know what I mean, I get that a little extra tightness out of the elastic. But like I said, the wig band that I'm wearing is so much better as far as providing that extra security on the wig than even these little straps can do. And I'm really struggling with getting this in. All right, so there's multiple ways that you can put on a wig. With the wig band, I don't want it to move back. Because it's velvet, it's kind of sticks to my hair, but you know, just even pushing it with the wig will sometimes push it back, and I don't want to do that. So I normally this is the back of the wig. I take the back of the wig, this part closest to me is the front of the wig, and I face it towards me, and then I will place the hairline where I want it to be and drag the large elastic strap in the back backwards. Then I'm gonna take the back comb here, and I'm gonna bring it all the way back around, and I'm gonna secure that back comb into underneath where the band is at the back. The next thing I do is I adjust the ears. There's little ear tabs. I wanna make sure that those are in the right place. And then we start looking at the hairline, right? So I wanna make sure that this matches up with my hairline as much as possible. And then just kind of comb through it. So see, that's the baby hairs, right? So from the side doesn't look very good, but with a little bit of heat, we can get those to lay down, and they look like the natural hairs that come out from your temple. All right, well, this is Harmony, and like I said, I'm obsessed with this pink color. It starts as like a T2, I want to say, or at least a 2, and then it goes, it ombres down into this light pink. It has a little bit of bubblegum pink in it, but it is not strikingly pink. And that's what I liked about it. So I currently have it parted in a right-sided part. It's just normally how I part my hair. But because, remember, it's got the 13x7 in it, we can do a middle part. And with just a little bit of, you do have to use like a hair dryer or sometimes even like a curling rod that doesn't have, you know, the bill on it. You can use that and just kind of get everything to lay down. But I mean, look at that. We could do a left part, no problem. And that is my band showing through, and it just looks so much like a real hairline. Yeah, so it's got these great curls in it, and it's just so fun and so cute and natural. It's not super thick and heavy, but it also has so much volume. So really, really loving this wig. Like, so cute, so cute. All right, let me go ahead and show you the back. So yeah, this is Harmony. It's super cute. I'm really loving it. It's great for summer, and you know, I love the versatility, and the price point is amazing. I think it was $56. Sam's Beauty was having a sale. I think normally it's in the hundreds, but I mean, I was finding it multiple places around the 56 range mark. So I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below, and tell me what you think. I just think this is a great option when you're losing your hair, or if you're not even losing your hair, just to have a fun color, and it just works. This is a great wig. And I will be wearing it quite a bit this summer. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, tell your friends. If you've got somebody who's struggling with hair loss and they just don't know what to do, I'm gonna be posting a whole bunch of options, you know, that aren't $300 for a wig, that just, you know, makes you feel great and looks amazing on you. So, all right, thank you. Have a great day, and I will see you guys soon.